Hey guys, you're watching the Danger Industries YouTube channel, and this was taken on a dash cam from my 2014 F-250 with the 6.7 liter. So some of you will remember, for those of you who aren't new here, I worked a security job, and it was in a remote camp, so it was about an hour and a half drive each way, and this was on the way in. So this was about 4 months ago. So yeah, these roads are gravel, they're dirt, and in the winter, they obviously don't put salt on them or anything. They're just glare ice. Usually traction's not bad, but today it rained the night before. It was just absolutely terrible. So yeah, something what I do sometimes is hit the brakes just to see. You can see there it's starting to slide already. Just hit the brakes, see how much traction there is. I knew there wasn't very much, and my truck actually doesn't have ABS, which is interesting. I just took it off, never wanted it back. So anyways, check this out. So what happened was, I hit the brakes and I hit them way too hard. I mean, I put my foot through the floor. I don't know why, but my brakes were kind of worn out. And I guess through a combination of things, the brake actually stuck on one side. Usually that would not be a big deal. Once it came unstuck, though, I was kind of panicking. So you can see I almost had it straightened, and then lost it for good. The wheel was full lock, couldn't turn anymore. That was it. Luckily, though, I cut the side of the road. It could have been much worse, but it wasn't. So I got pretty lucky there. But this just goes to show that you need a dash cam, and yeah, calm your shit on those icy roads. Anyways, guys, short video. Just this is a few months old. Just wanted to put it up. I mean, you guys had to see this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Nonetheless, if you did enjoy it, then you know what to do. You know the drill. You guys have a good day.